Okay, so I'm going to go through downloading some data from the MLS and then uploading it to Vulcan, which we're going to need to do on a daily basis. Vulcan is in our database here. You type in company name Vulcan, and then basically that we're starting with here is just the MLS. But in the Vulcan contact record, there's a set of areas that we need. So we're going to Control C to copy those. And we're going to do a search, basically. And in this case, we're going to do detached. We'll do detached single first. We're going to do two things. We'll do detached single file and then attached single file. So detached single, and then we're going to have to add a field here for status date. And the statuses we want are just going to be canceled and expired. Okay. And then I don't have in our status date, but status date needs to be the day before, and or the begin date would be whatever date we did the last. I mean, tomorrow you're going to do today's information, etc. If you don't do it over the weekend, then your Monday's date would probably be Saturday, right? Um, so that's that. Now we need to add in a search price of 200K, and these are our real estate areas. Just go here, and that's basically it. Let's see how many we've got. 8, so that's pretty good. So we want to download the results, and we're going to download this Howard and Friends CMA Plus. Click Next. Tab delimited is fine. Hit Continue. You wait a couple seconds, and we're going to download that. I'm going to download it to a specific file. Docs, Marketing, Pro Prospects. Let's do it by date. So this is, that way you can track it. 5/16, 13, detached. There it is. And then we go to the Vulcan 7 website. And we log in. And then once you, let's just do that. Vulcan. I think, let's see, there's something in email. I should probably do it right from the email. Right here, vulcan7.com. And you could bookmark that page, really. Username is sbergerberg properties, and I will give you the password because I'm going to change it here shortly. We log in, and here's what we got. We're going to do an MLS import. Choose a file, and here's our file. Let me upload that. You received your leads. They'll be processed in 5 minutes. Oh, finished. So that's done. Now we're going to do the same thing for the attached single families. So search attached. We only want the expireds and cancels. Make sure that's very important. Very important. You only get captures, canceled, and expired listings. And 200K. That causes a big problem if you start calling active listings. And remove. We want to put in the Status state. Yesterday. And we just got expireds and canceled, and then we want the right area, which is this. There we go. There were none, looks like. It's expired, canceled yesterday, that's fine. So there's none to download, but if there were, then you just go ahead and download results. So there it is. I'm just curious, if I dropped it to 0, you'd find 2. Okay, so we did it right. Anyway, it's really important to get this canceled, more so than anything else. I mean, we didn't do the price either, 200K, but more so than anything else, make sure these are canceled expired listings, and just grab it from yesterday's date. Perfect.